The API Manager lets you manage the APIs across its entire lifecycle. So when you first create the API, it will be in its draft stage. In the draft stage, you can go ahead and modify the settings and then go ahead and save the API. So when you save the API, as you can see, will be in the draft stage. Once I'm ready to publish, I hit the Edit button and then hit the Publish button to eventually publish this particular API. Once the API is published, I have other life cycles that I can manage from the API Manager. What I have now is an API that's been published. Once an API is published, I can go ahead and bring the API back to the draft stage, or I can even go deprecate an API. I can go retire an API as well. Appropriate notifications will be sent to subscribers who have subscribed to this particular API. When you are dealing with APIs, you will invariably create multiple versions of the API, so the API Manager lets you manage multiple versions as well. You can create a new version of an existing API by just using this Create New Version API button.